Okay, now we're gonna go through this art manager, but actually we should get started first from the artist manager, because in order to add art you need to add the artist first, right? So let's go to artist manager, and this is the artist manager, and I will add like I already added one new artist for charcoal, and but I will click on this add new artist, and then number, it's the order number of the artists, like 1 to like 909 blah blah blah. Okay, but I would probably start from the bigger numbers, because if I just in case if I wanted to put some artist front of this artist, so I wouldn't run out of numbers, so I would probably give him like 9,999. And the category, I don't know if Lee Yun is what category Lee Yun is, so I will just choose the mixed media. And then first, if you're adding new artists, this is the only thing you can do, because these are after you added this. And then I save this, and then I click on submit. If I wanted to add more artists before I submit, I can add like more, like Lee Yun, like, or edit this like this. Add more like Lee Yun to like number. I go like edit like that, and then category. I forgot the category for this. Mixed media. Okay, and also like that. Like I can also add Lee Yun 3, like another artist. Like this, all the art, and after I added like a 5 or 10, and then I just submit, click OK, and then I just added like 1, 2, 3 artists, like, right? I forgot to choose category for this, so it says unknown category. I can just update it like this, mixed media category, and update, and it will be in the mixed media category. But now I have like Lee Yun 1, Lee Yun 2, Lee Yun 3, but I will delete this Lee Yun, extra Lee Yuns from here. Okay, if I wanted to delete an artist, I can delete it from here, like check this, and then after this highlighted ones will be deleted, and then choose like delete, and then click on OK to confirm, and then all the artists deleted. And then this is Lee Yun, right? And for Lee Yun, if I wanted to update the thumbnail of the Lee Yun, I will choose for example, I choose this comfortable, right? And then I will choose this as a thumbnail for Lee Yun. And then content, I can update the contents here, like Lee Yun is blah blah something, and I can insert like PDF link files, videos, photos here, like this, like this. Okay, so I can do this. You already know how to use this text editor, right? But don't forget to, when you're inserting text from Word, please click on this text first, and then paste your word content and here, and then click insert to insert it. Otherwise it's gonna insert a lots of junk, and then you will have lots of problems, like maybe like your contents will be corrupted, or a website search. It's also not good for anything like search engines and like that. Okay, now I have this Liyun here. This is how you do the artists. Okay, if you want to add new artist, add new artist, and if you want to edit the existing artist, you can click on, just double click on this row, and then it will open this window. And index is like is category number. You can also enable and disable, means like if you disable it, it will disappear from the website name. And this is the thumbnail photo of the artist, and this is the content of the artist. Okay, this is how you you can also do like multiple items, like delete or move an artist to a new category, or enable, disable selected artists, like that. Bulk action here. Okay, this is how you use the artist manager.